Nice. Oh, nice. Oh. Nice. Where's Mac? Oh, nice. Sorry. Yay! Nice. Nice, with a matching pup too. That's beautiful. Nice. Nope. Oh, nice. Nice tender truck. That's good. Nice. Nice truck. Nice looking Sterling. It's a bale truck. Sweet. Oh, nice. On some supplies. Well, here's this old 5900 that I saw in like January. Haven't seen this thing in a while, like I just said. What a beautiful. Nice HX. Nice. Hit Dayton's. Sweet truck. Nice Jake brake. Nice, he has a mini lap thingy as well. Oh. No, horn doesn't work. You sound nice. 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 Oh, that's a really nice looking W900. Oh. Nice. 330 bucket truck. That's cool. I mean, service truck. Nice. Beautiful C500. God, that's beautiful. That's a good looking T880. I do like it. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's a good looking Peterbilt. Nice. Also with a matching pup. It's good looking as well. Nice. Another Inter-Pacific Sterling. Sweet. Nice 9900. I didn't even notice this, but this looks like a hub for a semi. Oh, actually no, 8 lug nuts. So I'd say probably a dually pickup. Nice. That's a cool looking T880. I do like that. And some nice clean trailers to match it. Nice, a Versatile. Now that's a Canadian built tractor right there. Oh! An 801700, yeah! Am I happy with that? This 4900. What is that? Oh, darn it. Missed it. Hey, fix the drive shaft. Ew, Tesla. Oh, nice. Nice try drive. Another yellow truck. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of the newer Transtars because they don't look like Transtars, in my opinion. Yeah. But it's cool. Car carrier. Your door's open. Nice trailer. Oh, I saw you in Sundry the other day. You were in Sundry. Oh, 359! Yeah! A 359 dump truck! Oh, I gotta get a picture of that. Nice, a Sentry. That's a cool looking Volvo. Oh, it's carrying cars. That's cool. Nice looking 389. Alright, final.